writes, the stimuli causes the reaction. The reaction then gets sent through the axon where it arrives. The neurotransmitter carried to the dendrite then continues on. Once it continues, it goes to the through and the reaction what? So continue your thought. You answered half of it. Now incorporate how does this apply to moving your hand. And you will get all your points for that response. Are you on investigation 3? Slide number 3. Yeah, you're in the wrong one because I don't see your name in here at all. No, not that. All right, so let's look at some more responses. Ooh, what happened? Okay. How's it going? Can you refresh and see? Because sometimes it takes a while to load. Show students grades and you can see grades. All right. Now I have people's names hidden. Here we go. All right. One student, the brain is electric current to the device. This is slide number 2. Got me tripping. Is slide number 3 that I'm looking at. Anyone get 3? Oh, you did. Brave Bear did. All right. The brain is. Why does he go back to slide 3? What is going on? No, it did not. Okay. Anyone gets 3 out of 3? Nope. So we seem to tweak it. All right, let's see. Someone got 2 out of 3. This one, oh, you have to continue writing. Then we get 1 out of 3. Let's see. This person said a message is sent through my body. The message has to go through a gap called the synapse, keep moving, and it is carried by chemicals that do what? So you've answered half the question about what happens in a neural passageway. I need a little bit more than that. Let's see. Somebody else. Oh, we got some writing. My hand feels hotness, the nerves in my hands much to the brain much back to my nerves. The stove was how it caused me to snatch my hand from the stove. We have so many vocabulary words we talked about you can input into your answer. So I'm going to give you 2 out of 3, but I need you to work that into there. You're almost there. All right, someone else. Why is it determined that? Okay. Talking away from the hot stove because it's sent to the blood. Okay, determined duck. I'll take that. Wonderful. Someone got a 3 out of 3 today. Oh, I see some more writing. Second neurotransmitter, the pain receptor. You mean the neurotransmitter sends a message to the pain receptor and to the brain, then the brain to the back, telling your hand to move. If you would have said that, devoted dinosaur, that would have been great and give me 3 to 4 sentences. So you basically have it kind of in a nutshell, but I need you to write your answer more clear. So you have 1 out of 3 so far. Keep working on that. Oh, that's you? Okay, I don't see no names anymore. I'm just looking at. Oh, we need to change this because you're not even answering the question. It says what happens in the neural pathway. No reference to that, so you can't get any points. Okay. All right, that's 1. What time is it? 6. So for the remainder of the class, we're going to be editing these responses because by Thursday, we should be able to answer. Okay, we should be able to answer these questions fully. So you can review it after class, however you study for the quiz, you can do so. So, yes, the sensor in your hand is something that is hot, but there's more things that happen. Like something goes to your brain and it goes to the receptors. I need that in your answer. You still have 1 out of 3. I shake my hand. I need more than I shake my hand and to feel cold. It will hurt for a while, but it'll cool down eventually. That's not even answering the question. Okay? You type in gibberish, this ain't answering the question either. Wait, who said that? Let me see. Amazon. Why not see you on here? Where are you? I don't even see your name. There you go up here. Are you still online? Oh, there you go. Okay. A stimulus that causes a response. So you all are restating the vocabulary definition with your sentence. You don't have to do that. If you use the vocabulary term, there's no need to restate the definition in your sentence. I place me in the hot stove. A stimulus that causes a response. Period. Take the rest of it out. A message is sent through neural pathway. No, what is that? What happens? The message is sent through the synapse and carried by the neurotransmitter. As the mechanoreceptors, the human skin gets burned. That doesn't fit. The mechanoreceptors tell you, oh, you're feeling some type of pain. Hot, cold, wet, squishy, whatever the case may be. So go ahead and work your way through that. You're kind of there, but you should work on your wording for this sentence. So go ahead and make those corrections. Almost there. For those of us restating, once again, I'm going to just show you can see your name. Okay, great. So where it says, yep, where it says, I place my hand on the hot stove, stimulus causes a response, you can put a period right there. All this other stuff, you can take it right on out because that's restating the definition. And you're going to have a vocabulary term that tells me everything you need to know. Great. Go ahead and make that correction. Clear. And then you need to give me more about this neural pathway and this sentence at the end, mechanoreceptor, some. That doesn't make sense. If you're referencing the mechanoreceptors, tell me about how does it affect you in your hot hand or your burning hand. Lefty 9. All right, let's see. I'm gonna get one more. You have 2 out of 3, so you're almost there. Oh, you have a hand up. Okay, let's go to the hand up. Okay, my neurotransmitter message to the brain, and the brain to the back. Tell my hand to move. The brain does this to advise something is wrong. Great. I need 3 sentences though. And I don't see a period at the beginning of one of your sentences. So make it to 3 and you got your 3 out of 3. There we go. Great work. Let me see who else has their hand up. It is 12 o'clock, so go ahead and enjoy